Hello and welcome to the yet another product presentation from L Micro. So today's product presentation is on one of our models from digital video microscope, DVM01. DVM01 comes with digital screen of 6.7 inches. It comes with 2 megapixel inbuilt camera. Now we will discuss about the microscope which is being used in the model. Microscope comes with optical system of DIN infinite plan achromatic optics of 4x, 10x, 40x and 100x oil motion. Dual layer mechanical stage is being used with double slide holder. Movable condenser of 1.25 numerical aperture. Coarse and fine motion is being provided in the microscope. Light intensity controller is provided to control the intensity of light. Viewing head is 45 degree inclined with interpupillary movement of 55 to 75 mm with eyepieces wide field 10x. So here you have seen the results of the microscope. For more information regarding the model DVM01, you can check the links below in the description, or you can visit us on our website www.lmicroinstruments.com, or you can contact us through our email ID sales@lmicroinstruments.com.